cry?
The first me crying this morning. You shouldn't have with Nitro for years. Me try. If me ex couldn't come talk, me try to get you away from Nitro. Right? But let me tell you now who I want this. God. Oh God. Me tell you, me said don't let Nitro in. Hey, come on, man, even you know if you sleep. Me said to you, say, me Nitro go and go sleep with your friend. Me find excuse. You know, gonna want you go sleep on
he
the
said
couch.
Chuck Star sleep with him woman and him can't sleep at Chuck Star woman place. That's what he said. That's what he
yes,
always
but
told
me tell you, say you never for me tell. Who found me say to you, say?
I said Chuck Star have him
wait,
there, man.
hold on, man, let me talk. Let me talk. Cause you is to be blamed too. Me say to you, say, why are you still talking to Nitro? You find fucking excuse and tell me. Find the little stinking boy coming up. Me tell you, say, don't talk to the youth. Don't talk to the youth. You still can't look at the stinking batty man come on my yard. One day, no.
No, my mother is not biased.
One blood clot here. Me have a mad out. And me have to talk about this. Cause me tell you never fi your Nitro come on my yard. Me tell you never fi your Nitro come on my yard. If you did bamba pussy rascal, listen to me, this would reach just like how me tell you say you shouldn't talk to that stinking boy about Barbados. And you I don't talk to the boy now when the disgrace come down, me know about it. And when the disgrace come down, me know about it. Just like how you insist for your look at that stinking piranha looking boy, not just a bamba clad piranha. And me I beg you say if me ex could have contact, me sorry he couldn't contact. Me tell you if you take a piranha looking boy out of me ass. And you still, no matter how me say to you, say when you come on the yard, me say to you, say, stop carry the piranha boy come on me yard, not just a piranha. Me say to you, say, stop carry dirty Nitro come on me yard. You still carry dirty stinking ugly boy coming on me house. Right? Me beg you, morning, noon and night. I could have seen more than this, you make Nitro come look. I could have sent him more than this Nitro come look.
And then me then I fight if people believe me.
You know if you want them to believe you.
Because
no business.
No matter how much proof me show them, they must say I like
It don't matter. It don't matter. Me attack. It don't matter if they believe me attack. Let me talk. Me talk. Let me talk. You feel listen to me when me talk to you. Because all they got to where you talk to me, tell you never to talk to them. How could you talk to Nitro and believe so Nitro go like you, Julia? How you could have talked to such a boy when I have no class and the boy come at me and fuck me? Say you could have fucked me. Eh? Oh, you could have killed that little shit house then on me house. Look on Nitro when you can't on me house, come tell life on me. Eh? Look on Nitro when you can't on me house, God. Please, me I beg you to make me see Nitro. No, me I beg you, God, let me see Nitro. Me say, God, me I beg you, please. Let me see Nitro. No, me I beg you, God, let me see Nitro. Look on the boy when you can't on me house. Look what you do to me. Look how me beg you, me say, please. Stop can't Nitro come on me yard. I see him say you can't Nitro come on me yard. Come destroy me house. Nitro come in on me house, come try this
guy. I don't expect Nitro because they must say to me. Look how long me and Nitro live for 3 years now. I mean,
look at all the stinking pops. I so good Jayden. I go question you. Jayden, we speak to their face and miss you personally, so me stay. Me just walk up to you and speak to their face. Yeah? Because I want to come here, so I go question my daughter. I go ask my daughter if Nitro try to fuck her. Yeah? Me talk to my daughter, me tell him to stop me, Nitro come on me. I still try to get Nitro in my house. Look how Nitro come on me yard.
Look how me defend Nitro. They know me defend Nitro.
Yeah? Look how much time Nitro coming on me house. And you me a blame. I mean not a blame because me tell you say you never be fuck Nitro. And I 2 years straight Nitro come on me yard contaminate me. When I tell my swear to God, me make up my mind say me don't kill Nitro. You hear me say? Let me tell you say, stop your Nitro come on me yard. If the piranha looking boy could have talked the truth and in my yard. Yeah, I beg me daughter finna there with Nitro. I can't Nitro come on my yard same way. He coming at me house. I see him so me begging of it talk to him boy about you just say you hide that talk to him narcissist boy. And what boy do? Hey boy tell me like me just like what Nitro I do now. Nitro if me see you, me say if God in your pocket, you can't escape me. Nitro, if me see you, if God in your pocket, Nitro, you can't escape me. I do time for you. My mommy tell you that here. Oh.
Jenna, but look how me and Nitro live 3 years now. Jenna, me nah expect Nitro to come bring me down so. Me nah expect Nitro to come bring me down so.
Nitro, stop bringing me down. Nitro, tell me I am you.
Me nah expect him to go and do them and some here to me, mommy. I swear to God. Me nah expect Nitro to do them and some here to me. And the man up on the social media make up.
Why you hide up a Batman up on the life? Why you hide dirty Batman Jayden and so good Pops on the life? Eh? Why you hide up on the life? You know say that this thinking boy and have no respect for you, know me. Why you hide Jayden? Pops are so good and Jayden are so good. Why you hide up on the life?
Me know say they don't like me, then just want me at them because disrespect me.
But we don't know where you had them on the life. Why you had so good Jayden on the life and so good Pops? Why you had them on the life and you know the Pops are so good and Jayden? Eh? Why you had them on the life? Eh? Me tell you say you don't talk to them and I don't stinking drunk and why you still talk to them? Me tell you say you don't talk to them. I you still talk to them.
Me know say they don't like me.
You know say Jayden say strictly wood and Pop say strictly wood. They have to use woman to come to use to counterfeit everything.
Me then the body life I try to contradict me. I talk about why me let him in and also me literally the body life I show fucking proof. And then the body life I try to contradict me. Me don't know what me do to Nitro.
You know what me don't tell life? Nitro coming at me house and me run out. And me run out when me hear me daughter ball out. And me run out when me hear me daughter ball out.
Why would Nitro be apologizing to me? Why would somebody just randomly text somebody and apologize to them? Why would somebody just get up?
Nitro me say any all me hold you. Nitro if me hold you. You hear me tell you? Nitro if I hold bomba clock you. Nitro if me hold you. Nitro if me hold you. You hear me tell you? Alright. If me hold your blood clot, Nitro. If me hold you, me say Nitro, if me hold you.
The world, mommy, the world. See how much respect me have for Nitro. The world. See, no, mommy, I never disrespected when me and him left. Never, not once. Never disrespect Nitro when me and him left. Never, people them did it. Never, not once. See, Jenna up on the phone, guys. See, Jenna up on the phone.
Stop proof the junk on them. Stop proof the junk on them. Stop proof the damn shit them. Stop proof the junk on them. Me tell you nothing add none of that stinking thing people them body life. Me tell you not add none of them body life. Where you add them body life for?
Prove nothing to them. Them know which they don't care. These men on the app, them love cocky, them love
They love hood. They love me. You know we had so good Jayden body life and Jayden so good man in the woman life. Jayden hide and fuck body. Jayden eat woman.
You don't need none of them blue. You don't need them. You don't need them. They're going to always defend the men. The women on the app get the most fucking fight. And you see, if you don't stand for some blue, you're going to fall for anything. Run them when them come.
Run them. Run the jump when they have one from one night. How many they pay for?
Just because them sister you're dating blue, me and your sister, you know me and you love each other. And I'll never see Bloom, not even call you and text you, no, and not even tell us I was gonna come on the live and talk. It fucking hurt me. Rich more know I fucking cried.
We are a little Nitro. But Jenna, me have fear she, me have to blame me now. You know how me beg. Jenna, you know how me beg this little girl to leave Nitro.
The biggest backbone you have is your mother. You know how much woman in this world wish them did have a mother to just put 1 2 down out for them.
Jenna, you know how me beg me daughter for left. Jenna, you know me beg me daughter for left Nitro. Jenna, you know how me beg me daughter for left Nitro. Jenna, you know how me beg me daughter for left dirty stinking Nitro. From the boy come, from the batty boy come, from the batty boy come, and in my life, in my daughter life, me keep on and say, why are you having sex with this boy? This boy is a demons.
I can't write a comment. No, I can't write keep my comment so much. Me never.
Me say upset me so much. Me say Nitro no nobody.
All them are going like say, mommy uphold with things. Blue high things on her mother when she said to me, say, Jenna, me can't make mommy know this.
Yeah. My mother uphold
because she
things.
have cuts me. And then the big stinking shit out them. Sit down in the chat and attack all type of fuckery because they don't know your mother. And because them not have no mother for put up one.
Jenna, that is not the point. I don't care what they want to say about me. It's me daughter me worried but me upset me. It's not, I don't care. Jenna, I don't care what they want to say about me. It's my daughter me upset with because dirty stinking suck with. Jenna, you ever seen Nitro before? Nitro is a blood clot piranha. Jenna, Nitro is fucking ugly and short.
Not even to Jenna, me never call Jenna yet until Jenna nothing bad go.
Jenna, you don't know about man when June me daughter talk to that stinking man. Now only confide it and you hide it from me.
Me say, Blue will call me and tell me and say me can't make mommy know this. Me tell them on the app, nobody can't make me ever in my life. God kill me if nobody make me come talk. Not bad about Blue on internet. I mean, no one Blue approval for defend her because when my back against the wall, a blood clot Blue me call. A Blue me call when me and my bumper clot baby father go through shit. A Blue know. When my fucking baby father got migrate, I Blue no. And nobody never hear that on the app. Ask Blue if she ever send on to me with anybody here.
Talk to her, Jenna. Jenna, me talk to the little girl. When the little girl come with the little piranha looking crosses ugly boy, me talk to the little girl.
Let me just hope you learn.
Me learn.
Jenna, when my daughter come with the piranha looking boy, when my daughter come with the little piranha looking stinking boy, me talk to the little girl. Me say, I don't know where you go when you say ugly thinking boy.
All right.
Talk to him. I am talking to Jenna. I don't want the junker to hear me. Be in a business where they want think or where they want believe but me. When me daughter carry the piranha looking boy come on me yard.
My ball till me head that hurt me. Mommy break down and my cry till me head that hurt me. Blue, you don't know the fucking love and respect what I have for you. You don't know.
Jenna, when me daughter carry the piranha looking boy come, me tell me daughter say, me no want Nitro on me yard. It's still I that talk to Nitro same way. Nitro fever piranha, I'm not gonna put on piranha side of Nitro and say, Nitro look on Nitro fucking ugly. Nitro jealous over when
you see when I try to do it, I try to do the same thing when Jeremy do to me years
same
ago.
thing when see Jeremy do to you.
Everything when I try to
but
say.
remember, say me tell you say no God Barbies go talk to no that is stinking beer John.
Everything when I try to say, I same thing. And you see same thing when Jeremy say about me and my mother. I same thing. Stop the crime. Stop
I
it.
said it today.
Stop it.
Somebody when
Stop fucking crying.
You know how much trauma I bring you. Me hate him for that. Me hate him. You fuck.
Because it's same thing what Batman do. If Batman a try to do, it's same thing when he see dirty thinking dear John boy do. I same thing he a try to do. I same thing he a try to do. Nitro is a coward and a little Batman. Nitro is a coward. Nitro is not a man.
Blue so when Blue do them.
Our beauty and our strength. Our beauty and our strength is our beauty and our strength.
And then what you say, you know, mix and you know, mingle with.
And that's the problem with the drunk of them. And that's the problem. Nitro have in our exit. You see me tell you something. Nitro is not the person we ever face with, you know.
That's why I buck to and use. That's why
I buck to and use. Nitro can't face with.
That's why I buck to a drunk use.
If it's not a man.
If it's not a man.
business. Jenna, show your own Nitro wiki. Jenna, now when the me call Nitro 3 weeks ago when you want the help with the sitting on TikTok.
When you want the help with the something.
3 weeks ago, me call Nitro, me still have a proof on TikTok. He must say that I lie too. He must say that I lie too. He must say that I lie too.
Blue, you have never once talked ill about Nitro. Never.
Me understand, say me understand, say me daughter angry now because she has said she make a mistake and she never listen to me.
Never yet come on social media contact nothing bad about Nitro, mommy. Never.
Oh, you fit talk bad about Nitro, girl. Let me say you something, Jenna. Oh, you fit talk word about what you talk about. From Nitro coming in the life, me life, in our life. Nitro bad man, me daughter, and I show it to her. See her, that's how.
Nitro come back because me boy, me bad. I choke.
Jenna, you see what, Jenna, let me tell you something. I problem. Animal look, no matter the Nitro bad man and see. He start look on box back.
And I talk about my business them. Me and because we talk about my business them
he start watching background.
And I talk about my van.
Now tell you why problem. Jenna, well, I'm not tell you why problem. Now just start look on the background. You tell me that. And he might observe the background. And he might say, oh.
And he realized I'm not in a same little room.
And he say room and he might say, oh.
He realized I'm not in a same little room.
He might say, well, and he might say, oh. She buy horse now, look like one man buy one horse gear. And it's a Nitro problem.
Because why no? Woman, no, a 3 year we left. Why no?
When Nitro have, you know, me say it to her, you know. Jenna, me say it to her. Me say to her, I say, give him bugs.
Yes, because he's shame. He's shame to still live in a house with man. He's shame to still have to live a mobile with man in a house.
Jenna, the bed when Nitro asleep and my daughter trust he give him a quartz. Nitro no move from away there for much years now. And I watch my daughter, I say my daughter elevate. I eat a cause bad mind.
Because mommy, why no?
Bad man drunk.
How you feel left?
Nitro confess me now. Nitro confess me.
Yeah, hurt me to blood club.
You have to be careful, mommy Blue. You have to be careful.
I watch him background. Watch Nitro, watch him background. And he must say, something the right man. He plays change, sitting the right. And what mind he have?
Blue can tell you, mommy.
And what mind Nitro have?
I won't motivate me, answer.
But mind he have, he start look on the place. And my mind know the horse, the next horse, you know, in my next horse. So when I do know, I'm observing. And I see him, and I see him horse.
So it's a bunny.
Me I show you how Nitro see. Well, I show you how Nitro see. Well, I show you how Nitro see. Nitro start telling people them, which nobody with sense now gonna believe, because everybody know bugs. For I know bugs first vehicle, I know much vehicle bugs it won't come right up till this Savannah. Nitro want to give people them impression say help her. Which part Nitro could I get? Nitro mama they are making blind and
First of all, Jenna, you know the man help you buy a vehicle when I run for themselves.
Blue by vehicle and Nitro not a vehicle.
And Nitro don't even know how to drive. And me force Nitro to go driving school. Me still have been driving teacher number and me force him to go driving school. Because he just want me to drive him around. But I Father God.
Bugs me know say you're upset, but me have to talk because me upset too.
Me not expect a train on me and Nitro live in. Me not want a train on me and Nitro live in. I want Nitro me and me feel that I'm coming me and I want to tear off.
Because I went to one.
Bad mind the boy have.
A train.
Bad mind he have. Train and no one.
Me have text message in my phone.
I know I don't know what go on. And him a worry. Cause him a watch the background and him a say, Bumbo Clad. He gotta elevate. But Nitro, me I tell you what you do. Left the Batman business and go work by yourself.
And stop living with man. Stop living with man.
All man want Nitro is your ass. That's you're not gonna elevate. How much Batman you see?
Nitro make man move him out of the apartment to be fine for him can't go on a mobile. What kind of straight man I do that? You make man move you.
Fucking idiot.
You make man move you out of the apartment to me get for you. In a feminine from Mandeville, good fucking place. Anybody know Tulsa Road, know a place with me. Jump up and get for you. Me, so you're gonna have someone to live. Me, do that for you. Me, do that for you. When me and you left, and you don't have the money to pay your fees.
And me give money.
My mother give you money. My mother take out money out of her bank, Nitro, and give My stepfather used to follow me, can't food go give me pussy proof. And I'm me. Yeah, me book to a come bring down nature. Me. Yeah, I grew up with people. And me nature tell life, man. Mommy, most people when time they left, they come on social media, come post screen recording and bring down my me whole. Me never said no. Me whole everything. And a good thing, Father God. Me not delete it. A good thing, Father God.
Bad man, not your bad man. Bad man.
A good thing, Father God. Me not delete the message because God see what you not trying to do to me. God see what you not trying to do to me, nature. But you see man will sit high and look low. I go punish you for this year. You see man will sit high and look low. Ariana Harris. You see the man will sit high and look low. He might go punish you for this year. Because me don't deserve him or something what you do to me. A 3 year don't be on your left nature. Me never.
Bad man,
Never. Come on, you come bring it down. Never.
Bad man, he have. Bad man.
I am a back tour when I have half the platform where you have because you're waste man. You make back tour nature or an Iris. You make back tour when I have the platform where you have boost you. Because bring me down. And you know if you didn't want to talk to me nature, you just talk. If you didn't want to talk to me nature, you could have fucking call me. You make a man whenever did a fear with it upon your face. A man when I do nothing for you, all but to was saying so you can get clout off of uno. Which manager uno see in a Jamaica and boost? None of their people, none of their entertain them to come bring down people, them try to protect them people, their reputation. When manager sign people, they try to protect their reputation, and your manager come and tell you to bring me down, nature, me.
Not your own nature.
Me nature. Me. The people my man even know and can testify. When you with me and nature, there, if you see nature, you see me, man, the people can tell you no. Every single YouTube video of me and nature do I me around the steering and drive because I couldn't drive and me hold it like a dream. You know, say no. Me could have come out and show shade and say my ex couldn't drive. Me never do that because me know say I have to care for me. People will take what you say on screen recording. Me never do them the something. Nature, Orient, or is a me. Me nature. You make back to a boost you up. And you come and tell like my mother nature. When you don't have no money, when you don't have no money, that you don't remember them someday, youth. Youth, you don't remember them someday. Youth, you don't think about them someday. Youth, you don't afraid God punish you. When you left your house, who take up when you tell them back, you're my mother, you come and tell her, but my mother say you could have done with my mother, my mother.
I've not run a yard one time when I left.
Because you repeat the same thing that my ex a few years ago. You cannot come on social media and stand and speak like a man. You have to come with lies and the world see you. And nobody now gonna respect your rate you after this because you provoke me and you chastise me without a cause. You plot and scheme and come and chastise me without a cause. Nature me never provoke you. All of this cause because you see little light a shine for me and you can't stand to see light because you're narcissist. All of this cause because you see little light. So no light nothing shine for me. Nobody nothing know me. Me feel lost to society. Me nothing be nobody. All of this cause out of envy. That's why you come across me about my vehicle. The man come across me about my body what me do. The same body where you try to fuck how much time me having a message where you admit say you have to pressure me for sex.
No post.
Me already posted and see it.
No, that's not what I'm saying. No put no more than TikTok for your life. No add no more than.
Me and do so nature.
No.
Nobody can make it so.
Nature will do so. Stop it.
You tell us say you see God. You see Father God.
Stop. Come in and be talk about if you do so nature. Nature somebody.
Man, nobody for truth. You see God. What hurt me above all of this nature, oh yeah, tell her about my mother.
That's what hurt me. And me when I tell life on me, we feed nature any hours me don't cook and night me can't go get nature. Do not add any more of these dirty TikTokers on your life. You hear me say to you?
You say, right. You see quiet. Nature company in that try to give people this impression like my this quiet, humble youth. Imagine this good youth, you are such a narcissist. You are a weak, pathetic. You are a weak, pathetic man. I'm in a fear you. I mean, not back down. So if you think say me I go back down, you're wrong. If you think say me I go back down, you're wrong. Because you come attack me.
Do not add any more of these.
I'm not gonna add any more of them.
On your life.
You come, everybody see with them
because
two years and you come attack me.
All I suck up them do about
they never used to want to play with me. I should have views by my life. Everybody, Jayden and call you, Pops step and
what are you adding for? What you adding geographer? You know say Jayden says strictly cock. What you adding for?
I told him strictly.
You know say I would Jayden like Jayden.
Why would I the live him I tell Pops say I know Nitro film type but in my film type. Can't say I like having a live recording. You must say live.
You know say I would Jayden like. Why did you add Jayden? Jayden a smarty?
And Pops, anyways, me not talk about Pops because you don't get no attention from me. And Nitro me come because you provoke me. My issue I know with no drunk or what I try coming at this year. My issue is with you, Nitro. And you me combo. Me no combo none of them a dirty drunk here. Me no combo with them. And you me combo out. You are a narcissist and a weak man. You are so weak and pathetic. I mean, know you're there yourself. You could have called me, Nitro. Thank you so much. Everybody that sent me gifts, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Nitro, me and you just talk. We just spoke. I can show the people them. We just fucking spoke 3 weeks ago. If you felt some type of way about something and you wanted to talk to me about it, even if you wanted to do it publicly, you know say me would have never said nay. You know that I would have never said nay. See it here. This is 3 weeks ago. See the date there? August 14th. See it there. 3 weeks ago we just spoke. I never get to call him back. What him say, I'm calling you. I didn't get to call you back. Because if I ask if you help me for do something with Jenna, I think me and you are a friend. Because me I say we're not there again, but we have a friendship. That's why when people tell me say you can't friend your ex, me no blood clot, believe them. Me will never make that mistake in my life again. Any man me left me and left them, and me not be no friend with none of them. Because you wouldn't know you traumatized me. You don't know I'm fucking traumatized right now. Because me did have you as a friend. So much so that even when we left, we still have you as a friend. And you come 3 years after we left. A plot and a scheme with people. For try, for tarnish my reputation. And I bring up back the same thing then when my ex said about me. From how much was about 8 years ago, I don't even remember. Remember, say a time and God do everything, you know, that more if you remember and all of this. Remember, say a time and God do everything. And remember, say God, I don't know nobody where you can meet and buy out. One thing with a man, you can call him and say, fuck up, Blue. One thing with God and a man where you can meet now and pay him off. Him see and hear and he knows all truth. Him see and him know and him hear. Him know everything, Nitro. What you and Buck Tour do me never deserve. None at all. When the people come by my life and I say, why you natural life? Why you natural life? Every TikToker over here have to say, call ask me a natural life, and I never give them a reason. As close as me and Jenna be, I never tell her. And to owe me, I say, even though we left, I still have you as my friend. And the whole of girl them over here, I try to bring me down, because I can't bring me down, because you can't bring me down. You no strong to bring me down. I'm tougher, you know. Because me I do something you can't do. I can stand up to a narcissist. And you no brave so. You no hide. You no brave so. The whole I want to say woman empowerment until it's someone that looks like me. Until somebody want to intimidate by. All I want to know where you feel like if you talk to a narcissist, both man and women knows what it feels like to be under the thumb of a narcissist and a manipulator. You see where track over here come though? Tell them about white man. Because you know, say, same thing they used to say about me. And you know, say, if you come say it, you're getting the people in head same way. You know, if you come talk to them about nothing about or white man, they must say, yes, that's true. Because they used to say it about her years ago. But anyway, you never know is say, I have proof in my phone. You never know, say, I'm a girl just because we left me to delete things and that fuck you up. And that fuck you up, you know. You never know, say, I'm a girl keep my receipts. Your plan was to come over here. So the people them think say me the biggest whore. I'm gonna sell to this, I'm gonna sell to that, I'm gonna talk to white man. I'm gonna fuck this, I'm gonna fuck that. You never know, me have proof in my phone and that fuck you up, you never know. You never know. Because you plan to come over, you can manipulate the people them. Even though you are the one that attacked me without a cause. Your plan, because you're such a narcissist, your plan was to come over here and manipulate the people them and twist this. You never say make you come and apologize to Blue because I shouldn't get back a buck to or a boots up buck to if talk this about the girl because the girl don't deserve this. In all that time me and her left, she never come down and yet come over here come chat my business and she knows so much about me and she never come chat it yet. But for you say buck to, you know me not go entertain the argument that we do. I'm not going to entertain the reason that we do. You're a man. Well, I thought you were. I thought you were. But again, you proved me wrong. Once again, Nitro, you proved me wrong. Once again, you shame me to blood clot. Once again, you shame me. I don't know how much time you're going to make you shame me. I don't know how much time you're going to make you shame me. I have to just blame myself. I can't blame nobody else in this, in all of this. My mother right. I have to blame myself. Because I used to sit over here several times. Me have conversation with people and I boast over you. You never come over here yet to come disrespect me. You never come over here to come bring me down. But I didn't know you were plotting this whole time. I didn't know. You were plotting. Thank you so much. I didn't know that you were plotting this whole time. You are the worst thing that has ever happened to me. I'm not going to ever forget this. You are the worst thing that has ever happened to me. And I will never forget this. Never. I'm not going to ever forget this. You are the worst thing that has ever happened to me. I don't care which video anybody want to leak. They don't leak a video, left it leaking now, no? Leaking now, like how we did so pani live. Nobody wait till tomorrow. Message Mountain and leak it now. Message Mountain and leak it now. You'd like don't know how to leak a video. Why are you telling me that you're gonna leak the video? You don't fucking need to tell me that. Like I said, I have nothing to hide. Leak it, bumbo clot. Any video you don't have, no go over there go tell them if you leak it.
Who say they have video?
I don't know that the Pops them say they have video. I'm say no
Pops
leak
suck out
it.
dirty stinking warring mama. Dirty stinking big bumbo wall Pops.
You think
Pops are back to a fuck out. I can't tell about your video for leak. You don't have no video for leak junk. Leak it. Clot video on the leak already. Suck wood Pops. Pops are bumbo clot but you leak.
Pussy clot.
Pops are not mama.
Leak it, pussy clot.
Pops are father fuck when you're blood clot baby. You are Nitro. Get fuck from all the company. Leak it.
The people them see how good my blood clot. Look at the man them come mind me. Leak it, Matty man. Me say fi leak it. You don't tell them fi leak it. Tell them me say fi leak that. You think no pussy over here so can't make me afraid of them. You think none of you know where Batty man can't intimidate me. Go suck out to no mama. Mister, if you show the blood clot man them the fat make them spend them blood clot money like it. None of you know over here me no fear no pussy pan.
So who that is stinking Pops? Because you never stop him.
But spam them comments and tell them to leak it. Blu Royal give them authority to leak that blood clot. Sign management and that me say no. I'm not afraid of no pussy pan this. I'm afraid of you know from away when I smelly. Me say to leak it. Blood clot. That me say. Fred, me go see who bad than blood clot. Me go see who bad over here.
Man, that is stinking ugly
Me go
Pops.
see who bad.
Pops will leak.
Make the man them see how me look good.
Batty will have everything fit.
Me say to leak it.
You can't pass your Batty.
Oi.
I go talk about it.
No make no boy. No girl. Trap no with no video. Tell them to leak that. Fuck. 2025 with blood clot in
promote me, baby. Thank you for the free promotion. Thank you for the free promotion. Make the people them say my pussy fat and nice and clean. Yeah. Thank you for the free promotion. Because I been one them for know, you know. I been one them for know. I been one them for know what I want. Thank you for the free promotion. Me appreciate you, see. No boy, no girl. You're crazy. You're off and away again. Now make no boy nor no girl track no with no video. I want this man, Pops. No, but them think them can come in now. Anything on the pan, I eat me the pan.
Cause I say you know say Pops and Nitro fuck. I say you know say Pops and Nitro fuck.
Yeah, remember that one?
Pops and Nitro fuck. As I would hear me know. From here Pops attack me know say Nitro fuck him too. Whoever the man bamba clad Pops. You leak to your bong to Pops.
Lick it. Come on, man.
Leak the blood clot video. Make the man them some look good. Crazy. Now make nobody trick me with no video. Use me as a living example. Now make nobody trick me with no video. No boy, no girl will have no video. Yo, leak that shit, baby. Thank you. You think in 1964 we live in a 2025 we live in a babes. Thanks for the pre-promotion. I'm glad you fuck. Put my iPad there. Now make nobody use no video.
You think you have no sleep?
No, them think me afraid. Them think me afraid and stuff. No, listen now. Them think me afraid and say, oh my God, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm so scared. Pops, don't do. And that's when you think, oh baby, no. Now she see me over your ball. Anything you know, depend on eat me, depend on warrior one, warrior gets. We're going to take down your wall out of Batman one by one. You know, if you come off of the blood clot up. Me and the wall of the straight man them and the girl them wanna suck pussy. I go take down your wall out one by one. The wall of Batman them come off of the blood clot up. A straight people time for shine. You wall out come off of the up. The Batman crew me I come to take down your wall out no. When my stiff cocky man them they will love pussy. When my stiff cocky man them they will love pussy. When my man them they will love woman. When the girl them they will love man. We are take on no down. Earth to the earth to my up. Earth to the earth to my come for no friend. Earth to the earth to my come for no man. Where?
I say I don't know say I wanna sound if you know say Pops a batty man. A clouty man look me know say if I see my fish roll me know say a cloud Pops a look. Me know say Pops a Nitro fuck. Me know say Pops a Nitro fuck. You just prove it Pops. Pops you just prove it so you fuck Nitro too. Me know say when I couldn't live together down with some cocking around in your blood clots.
What a friend!
Represent straight man them.
Come pussy, come with a friend.
We represent for the straight man them. We represent for straight man them. We represent for straight man them, Pops.
Leaking blood clot.
Leaky batty man.
Mr. Man,
Pops, you just prove say you again.
500 down over there.
Prove say you fuck Nitro.
500 down go.
Pops, you just prove say you so good. Dirty Pops. Drunk, you so good Pops.
What do you think for that one? Oh, I'm not be on no blood clot. You know, oh, now go run, go know that the people them know so now batty man for true. On a plan for run go, you better call a real estate agent, you know, and ask them if them have no place up on Mars on they can run where go, you know. Because all the fuck so much Batman, they one place. Maybe I want go on around there. Maybe I'm love, maybe I in a St. James. What the fuck is going on? Why not doing so much fishing on the territory? What the people in there?
Run back in blood clot song.
What the St. James people them there?
Batman song.
Run them out of blood clot St. James. What them a do there? What them a link a blood clot there? Run it back. Come out of sound. Come out of my beer. And stop batting up the blood clot people them face. Go away.
Where?
My crew.
My dogs.
Set rules. Set the.
Oi. We tired of the Batman them now and the aperture bring down the woman them. Me a come take on down.
Come back to running bomb clot tune till the place get off a running blood clot tune.
We tired of the Batman.
Say you have me tell me that I say you fuck Nitro. Run it tune.
We tired of the Batman them now.
Run it tune. Me know say you fuck Nitro.
We tired of the Batman them now. We tired of the Batman them now. I eat the woman
man. I'm tired of you.
Run it, John! Run it, John! Run it, John! Run it, John!
Yeah.
Run it, John!
Drop the video.
Run it, John!
Set rules.
Send us!
Represent for the north of yards. A girl alone I feel up my.
The bird! The bird! The bird! Yeah! The bird! Who about them? We don't know who about them. Matty man about Matty man. Matty man about Matty man. Matty man about Matty man. Pull up it, John! The bird! Pull up it, John! Pull up it, John! Batman, what all I know me a come for no? Pull up him blood clot!
I'm like the
play a Java song!
man, me a come
Play
for
a Java song! Run it, John! Run it, John!
Me no know how I boast them I tell them fi war.
Come out for the blood clot up.
Tell me no them ends.
And the straight man them time for blood clot shine. We tired of the Batman them. And the straight when me stiff cocky man them man. We love pom pom. When I'm back no fist to no man. When me straight man them there. When me straight man them there when I have to take no picture them would send to no man. Where are my babies?
Real man
When my man them there. When my man them there. Come on now man. When my man them there. Raise the on. Yeah. Hey, drop on the stiff cocky them in the comment. When my straight man them there. Run out. Yeah. No girl, not have no voice recording and no back no fist to no man per phone but to no chop. But we are chop. I'm on about them fist. See man. See man. A back in fist I send you. Back in fist I send Nitro. See man in that video. And Nitro sit down and watch the blood clot video.
Batman!
Well,
Run it, John!
nine well spent.
The bird! Run it, John!
Fucking animal soul, Batman a goat man. So you come party talk and want this man me lift up the Mac 10, the Glock and the Ingram.
Run it, John! Pull up it, John! Pull up, John! Pull it up! Pull up!
Not a chopping, not the capping in no. Your man give your house and I fuck you in no. I could do me them one worry. William your food brother push a tin a for it. Give a Blu Royal the man where you go with. The killer never rape. Only time you get pussy when you use your face.
Give up me daughter, white man, Nitro! Give up me daughter, white man!
Me don't want back him man. Me don't want back him man. Guys, I don't want back the man.
Give up him man, Nitro! Me daughter, man, Nitro! I'm back,
Guys, I don't want back the man.